They're in a line even now.
Old ladies.
I think there was an insect back there. Somebody pick that up. Yep, there was. Got it. Oh, there's a cigarette butt.
The white one is like,
Where do they need to go? I
Huh?
don't think they're wild.
You don't think they're wild? What do you think they are?
I don't. They must live.
Look at that one. Oh, another cigarette butt.
No, not finally.
Do you see how each of them, when they got up in the grass, shook their tail? It's like, come on, we gotta outrun them. Quick, quick. Oh my gosh.
Look at the white one.